It's my ONYX motorbike.
Look at these kids, delinquents. Delinquents. What are they doing? They're just sitting there doing nothing. Alright, on this, it's a freaking trail I've been up many a time. And I know this thing can make it. Like, definitely make it. So, we're gonna rock this. A lot of barbed wire places around here, I don't know why. Who's trying to break into like a water plant, you know what I mean? Like, I don't get it. Anyway. There might be like, you know, this is a tester bike. There might be like some power degradation. Because I will say that the battery degrades pretty quick. Doesn't quite have the torque that I've heard it has. So I'm just throwing that out there in terms of legitimacy of my testing. It might be a little askew, you know. The top end seems to be there. The acceleration seems to be there, but the torque just doesn't seem to be there. Yeah, acceleration's there once you're going like 4 or 5 miles an hour. But off the line, I would expect a little bit more, you know. So I don't know. Because it's a tester bike, who knows what this thing's doing. It's kind of like getting a Trans Am, but it's a, you know, through Avis, and you're like, this thing's badass, but yet it doesn't freaking have the power you're expecting because 80,000 people have ridden it. So who knows? Anyhow, this is a pretty cool trail. Got shirtless people up here. Thank you. Thank you. This is a oh boy. This is a I did a video a while back where I went through like some homeless encampment trail and some freaking dog started chasing me. The guy that owned it said, "Get him." I'm like, what the hell does that mean? The dog starts chasing me. That dog looked just like it. And that guy didn't look like he's got a mansion. I don't know, maybe that was the same guy. Anyway, this is like a frisbee golf course place. So you gotta watch out for the occasional frisbee zooming by your head. And I'm coming up on a BMX track. Should I try out the BMX track? Probably not. Definitely not. That ain't happening. We'll do this stuff. This is a little zip zoom in here. You guys checking this out? For me, this is a big deal, right? Oh boy. There's some teenager to the right of me, like just flying in the air, and I'm like barely going over these little freaking hills.